natural freedom. No one on earth has complete freedom. Living together creates mutual dependence, and that sets limits. Absolute independence would only exist in isolation. Wherever people have relationships, they also have rights, and each person must respect the rights of others. This does not destroy freedom. True freedom is not doing whatever we want, but acting within justice and natural law. Many speak of liberty, yet treat those near them or under their authority harshly. Pride and selfishness cause this. They may know what is right, but do not practice it. This fault is greater when a person clearly understands the law of justice. Those who know more have less excuse. Simple, honest people who live by the good they understand may be nearer to God than those who only seem virtuous.